Hi guys, this is Asher here. We're going to be upgrading our RAM today in my MacBook Pro. So yeah, first you'll need a screwdriver. Yeah, and you just gotta unscrew the screws. So the ones I'm unscrewing now, the three at the top are longer than the rest, so don't get that confused and probably just like leave the screws where they are, like I am right now. And then once you've done that, pop the back plate off. I seem to be having trouble here. Yep, I've got it. Then the RAM is just above the battery. It should be the blue. So I've just taken the new RAM out of its packaging, and now I'm taking the old RAM out of my computer. And for this bit, I have a bit of trouble. Yeah. Oops. And I think I've nearly got it. Excuse my arm. So anyway, this is my first video. This will be full of tech videos, this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy it. What else? Oh, I've got it now. So I'm putting the new RAM in. I don't think I was quite satisfied with how good it was in, and then I took it out later and then put it back in. So that's why it looks like I'm fidgeting with it a little bit. Yeah, so if you could subscribe and you can see all the new videos that I post. Yeah. Oh, so my MacBook Pro is a 15-inch baseline late 2011 quad-core Core i7 2.2 GHz, 8 gigs of RAM now. It's got an AMD 6750M, 512 megs, 500 gig hard drive. You know, the usual. Now I'm just popping the second slot in now. This is my second RAM. Whatever. Because the first one was faulty and I had that for a year. And it just kept beeping, stopped. Frozen beep. So I got it replaced. I've had so many problems with this MacBook Pro. That'll be another video. And I've got it putting the back plate on now. Got it on, and just turning it around, and we're going to test if the RAM works. Oops. And I think the screw is about to fall off. Did the screw fall off? No, it didn't. Oops, that was my Facebook. Just starting up now. So if you want to check out the people that are in my sidebar, then please do, and subscribe to them. As you can see, it has 8 gigs of RAM now. Yay! I'm running 10.9. Now to screw everything back in. Yay! So as I said before, make sure when you're doing this, you put the screws around the computer as you were, or you can put them in a bowl and keep them organized. Just make sure you don't lose them, because that would be bad. I had a bit of trouble with all this because I kept losing all the screws. So later I'll be doing a room tour. Be talking about my MacBook Pro, and yeah, I'm done. Please make sure to like, comment, rate, subscribe.